Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do dip powder applying Swarovski diamonds on dipping powder. Today we're going to start using Firecracker, which is red from Gelish, and the dip system I'll be using is Revel. This is number 1, which is Pro Base, and also a number 2, which is the Activator, and number 3, which is Finish Gel. Now I'm going to start prepping the nails, and I'm just removing the shine. I'm going to use my favorite brush to remove the dust, and we are going to start applying Pro Base number 1, and I'll be brushing onto the nail tip and dip it with a 45-degree angle, and you can see how pigment this color is. Then I'll apply a second layer, and you can see how fine it is. Then I'm ready to go to apply Activator, and this will help me to start filing and shaping my nail, and I'll start buffing it afterwards to smooth out the product. Now I'll apply Activator again because I will apply Pro Base on just to speed up the process. You do want to wipe it off. This is the reason why you don't mess up your brush. And here me applying Pro Base, and you just want to apply as much as you need. Don't apply too much because you do want this Swarovski look shiny as possible. You can see how clean it looks when you use the right amount of glue. Now I'm using Finish Gel, and this is the last step. I will apply it on to the edges of the Swarovski to make sure the product stays onto the nail. And you will need to apply the second coat to give you that brilliant shine. It's very important because you want your clients to last about 2 weeks shiny and the product stays onto her nail. Here's a closer look, and you can see how shiny it is, and I hope you like it. I see you next time. Thanks for watching.